to search your download location, then open it, or you can run as administrator. So it's completed. Now what you need to do is you can easily carry your Windows inside that portable pen drive. So now your Windows will be portable. You can just boot directly from pen drive without any problem. So with that, you can check if the file is there or not. So as you can see here, everything is there, so do not modify this file. And thank you for watching. Do comment, share,